Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to change a Mercedes door light. First, gather your tools, a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool, and your new replacement light module. Make sure your Mercedes is completely turned off and the doors are open for easy access. The door light, often called a puddle light, is usually found on the underside of the door panel, illuminating the ground when the door is open. Now, let's remove the old light. Using your plastic pry tool, carefully insert it into the small gap around the edge of the existing door light. Apply gentle pressure to pry the entire light module out of its housing. Once it's loose, you will see an electrical connector attached. Press the small release tab on the connector and pull it away from the old light. With the old light removed, it's time to install the new one. Take your new light module and connect it to the electrical connector you just detached. Listen for a click to confirm a secure connection. Briefly test the light by opening and closing the door or turning on the interior lights to ensure it illuminates. Then, carefully align the new light module with the opening in the door panel. To finalize the installation, gently push the new light module into the door panel opening. You should hear a soft click as it locks into place, ensuring it is flush and secure. Double-check that the light is firmly seated and doesn't wobble. Finally, open and close the door a few times to confirm the new light functions correctly and consistently, providing clear illumination.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.